Hello my friends, I'm back. With all your support, I'm just back home, safe and sound. Thank you so much. Thank you so much of all your help, all your prayers, all unceasing support. My friends, we are here to the part of victory. And I reassure you that we will definitely win this election. With the elections of people, the people's election, we have to do all these things. Stay tuned. We are here. We are here back home. My friends, we, as I said, we are fighting for a future generation who are yet to born as well. Do not lose your heart. Do not dishearten. The best is yet to come, my friends. I'm here. Thank you everyone all out there for your support, for your prayer, for everything you all have done for a future generation. It's not just me and Saitu Kendra. You have shown the best you can for a future generation, including people who are yet to be born. Thank you so much, my friend. Do join me. Do join me. I humbly invite you to join me at my residence tonight, if at all possible. If not, do meet me tomorrow. And we do have a lot to discuss for our future. My dear friends, thank you so much. Yamna thagachari mayam. Ngasi mayam gi mating na ison ngonda haijabaga loina maki mating na ai hojik bill thokre lokaptagi thokre masi akhoina tawriba mayam se akhoigi tunggi damaktani poktriba angang singi faudani akhoina tawrise aduna mayam gi lingjen manaraga akhoi march tang tara fawbada akhoi maipakpo oigani iswar bu thagat minagani akhoi Saitu Kendra natana atopa Manipur khuding makta akhoi awan ba purakani nahagi pandam sida akhoi soida namak maipakani isol gi thaujan na soida namak maipakani miyam gi mating na soida namak maipakani wakhan handhabi ganu akhoi ngasi ni ahobani kamta oidri aduna hawbdangairi akhoi long way to go, so don't lose your heart. Don't lose your heart. Thank you so much, my dear friends, brothers and sisters. My dear friends, brothers and sisters. Itsin inaw halaman imay bel ichechel marup mapang ahasing. I was illegally detained. I was illegally accused, which I fight against the system for a younger generation. So my friends, thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you very soon, my friends. Thank you.